beautiful babes. If you're ready to lift, tighten, and brighten your skin, get ready to be amazed. 3 simple ingredients. That's all it takes. Let's get to whipping it up right now, and I'll tell you all about the amazing ingredients that I'll be using in today's facial pack. Let's get to it. So the first ingredient we're starting with today is elderberry syrup. You can also use fresh elderberries. Elderberries help fight acne and breakouts. This helps to prevent breakouts and keeps your skin healthy and clear. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties also help to reduce swelling and calm the skin. Elderberry is a powerhouse for oily skin types or people prone to breakouts. Not only that, elderberries are skincare heaven. They're infused with intense anti-aging and free radical fighting properties. The elderberries keep your skin radiant and healthy for a long time. Elderberries also keeps your skin away from distressing skin conditions, like I mentioned, breakouts, boils, and scars. That's it. Elderberry. And next up we have Manuka honey. Manuka honey. Putting Manuka honey on your skin can keep moisture locked in without making it feel too oily, which is great for preventing and minimizing wrinkles. Manuka honey makes the perfect anti-aging ingredient. It's packed with natural antioxidants that help ward off damage caused by free radicals. One of Manuka honey's most valuable properties is its ability to repair and regenerate skin cells. Toxins actually sink into your skin and cause aging to happen more quickly, but honey can reverse it. Honey uses its exfoliating and healing properties when you make an anti-aging face pack like we're doing right now. This will help reduce the appearance and speed of aging. And the final ingredient, it's not just good for nachos. Sour cream can also be applied to your face for smoother skin. Sour cream, like all fermented milk products, contain lactic acid, which is a key skin enhancing ingredient. The lactic acid in the sour cream will naturally remove dead skin to promote new skin cell generation. It'll also help to even out your skin tone and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. On top of that, sour cream helps your skin retain moisture. Now all you have to do is take a teaspoon of the elderberry syrup or mashed elderberries, 1 teaspoon of the Manuka honey, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of the sour cream, and mix them well. Make sure you've cleansed your face thoroughly and apply this facial pack. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes and then rinse with warm water. I decided to add another teaspoon of the sour cream. I love the consistency of this a whole lot better, so you can add as much as you like depending on what your needs are based upon the benefits of each of the ingredients. I wanted more sour cream in here, so this consistency is now perfect. Do you see the instant results? Do you see it right before your eyes? Amazing. Now, once you rinse off, go ahead and apply your favorite moisturizer. Currently, I am using sea buckthorn oil. This is some amazing stuff. Now do this facial pack right before bedtime and take yourself to sleep. When you wake every single day, you'll see some amazing differences in your skin. That's right. Lift, tighten, brighten with this amazing anti-aging elderberry facial pack. And there you go, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. You're going to love this facial pack. Please make sure if you got something out of this video today, if it added any value to your skincare routine and you know it, go ahead, drop a like on the video or drop me some hearts in the comments. That would be amazing. And there you have it, beautiful babes. We did it. 28 days. I had said it was going to be 30, but 28 days, girl, I am done. Listen, 28 days, not of chasing youth, but of strengthening what we already have. You showed up for your skin. You learned that tightening isn't about pulling it hard. It's about feeding it, protecting it, and supporting it. After 50, skin doesn't need punishment. It needs partnership. And if your face looks brighter, a little fuller, a little more lifted, that didn't happen by accident. That happened because you were consistent. This isn't the end. This is maintenance. Choose 2 or 3 of your favorite treatments. Use them weekly. Protect your skin. Hydrate it and be gentle with it. Firm skin isn't about looking younger. It's about looking well cared for. And that glow, that's not just skincare. That's discipline. That's confidence. That's you. I'll see you real soon, beautiful babes. You got a lot to work with now. I appreciate you all for hanging out with me on this challenge. I will see y'all again real soon. Remember to like this video, like all the videos you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this series. Subscribe if you have not. I don't know what you're waiting on. And be sure you share me with your world. By all means, share me with a friend. I'll see ya. Bye now. Lifting each other higher. Steam on